Hello, people. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time you're here, my name is Humberto Zavala, and this is a series of video tutorials where people want to get a better score in tests. Right now, we're working with structure and with an expression, and we're going to move on to skill 40. We're working with nouns. In the previous video, we saw the difference between a singular and a plural noun. Now we're going to see the difference between a countable and uncountable noun. In English, nouns are classified as countable or uncountable. For certain questions on the TOEFl test, it is necessary to distinguish countable and uncountable nouns in order to use the correct modifiers with them. As the name implies, countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. Countable nouns can come in quantities of 1 or 2 or 100 and so on. The noun book is countable because you can have one book or several books. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are nouns that cannot be counted because they come in some indeterminate quantity or mass. A noun such as milk or happiness cannot be counted. You cannot have one milk or two milks. You cannot find one happiness or two happinesses. Uncountable nouns are often liquid items such as water, oil, or shampoo. Countable nouns can also refer to abstract ideas such as security, friendship, or hope. It is important for you to recognize the difference between uncountable and countable nouns when you come across such keywords as much and many. For example, he has seen much foreign films, right? Films is plural and much is uncountable. This is example. Much is incorrect because films is countable. This sentence should say many foreign films, not much foreign film, but many. In the second example, he didn't have many fun at the movies, right? Many is incorrect because fun is uncountable. This sentence should say much fun. They have much fun at the movies. Right? So here we have a chart that lists the keywords that indicate you whether a noun should be countable or uncountable. For countable nouns, we use many, number, few, fewer, and for uncountable nouns, we use much, amount, little, and less. So this exercise reads, each of the following sets contains at least one keyword to tell you if a noun should be countable or uncountable. Circle those keywords and draw arrows to the nouns they describe that indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Number one, he received little notice that the bill would have to be paid in full. Okay, so we have little, non-countable. Notice, non-countable. So it's fine. The police had few opportunities, few, countable. Opportunities is plural, is countable. The casualty who had committed a large amount of crimes. Okay, here we have a problem. Crimes is plural, countable plural, and amount is non-countable. So it should be a number of crimes, right? So it's incorrect. Now it's time for you to do the exercise. So pause the video, come back when you finish so we can check with you. Now that you're back, let's say number 3, you will have fewer problems with your income taxes if you get professional help. Okay, this is fine. Fewer is countable, problems is plural. After the strike, the company dismissed many employees, right? Countable. Employees is plural. So this is okay. Because the bottom corner of the pocket was torn, much coins fell out. Coins is plural and much is non-countable. So it's incorrect. It should be many coins fell out. Since he bought the new adapter, he has less trouble. He has had less trouble with the machine, right? So this is okay. Less is not countable. Trouble is not countable. There are much new items to purchase before leaving, and there is such a short amount of time. Okay, so his problem is items is plural and much is non-countable, so it's incorrect. Amount of time, yes. All right, the less time right? Less is non-countable, time is non-countable, you got that. You take on the assignment, the less pages you will complete. Now, pages is plural and less is non-countable. So here we have a problem. It should be the fewer pages you will complete. It's incorrect. Few soldiers, right? Soldiers is plural, few is countable. We have seen heavy combat were brought back for a little rest, right? So rest is non-countable, so it's okay. Soldiers is countable, so this is perfectly okay. It's better to go shopping in the late evening because there are less people in the market and you can accomplish a number of tasks, right, in a short period of time. So task is plural, number is countable, this is okay, but people is plural, irregular plural, and less is non-countable. So this is incorrect. Should be fewer people in the market. Okay, so take a look at what you did, take a look at the answers. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Get back to you. So if you find this useful, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider joining the channel so it gets bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this, please share it with them. And I'll see you in the next video.